This is week 3 of a short 4-week woof. I'm trying to deepen the waves around my crown as well as my sides. So cut nothing off the top, do a low taper, and keep the goatee. If you're new here, my name is Dane. I create self-haircutting and grooming content here on YouTube. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm in the middle of a short woof right now. My goal is to deepen the wave pattern around my crown area. So I really want that perfect swirl right around the crown, and to also deepen the wave pattern on the sides of my head, so close to where I usually get my fade. Before I let the video play, I want to call out one new technique that I tried this week. It's essentially doing the edge up or the C cup before doing the fade. And it made a huge difference. It allowed me to see the fade a lot better. And it kind of gave me mental guardrails for the space that I was working with. So let me know how you guys like it and enjoy the rest of the video.